This neighborhood is located right next to the Poniente beach, but us locals always try and avoid this place. What is this neighborhood? We will see it in today's video. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and today we are in one of those neighborhoods where it's better not to walk, especially at night time if you're not a local. It's not that there's an excessive crime rate, it's nothing like this, but this is one of the cheaper neighborhoods that there is in Benidorm. And some people that live here are, well, not to be trusted that much. Older type of buildings, a lot of closed down services and businesses, some places under refurbishment, and slightly more of litter and garbage on the streets. This is more or less like a typical conflictive neighborhood of Alicante city that everyone warned you should not be going as a tourist. Once again, it doesn't mean that bad things will definitely happen, but it is a lower income neighborhood, and especially at night time when people get some drinks, well, this is not the safest place where to be for tourists, which is very, very curious because you will see right now where we are located. We are right next to the Poniente beach. By the way, this is the name of the street, so you could locate yourselves on the map. Calle de Mercurio. Look at that. Right there on the right side, there is the main avenue that goes directly towards the Poniente beach. All this area is also really, really noisy and really busy during different festivities. All the peñas, which are like groups that celebrate local, more than national, local festivities and are in charge of the festivities in this neighborhood, are always here. Some of these places are really popular amongst those that live here nearby. Very, very small streets, nothing fancy. You won't see hotel here. You won't see fancy restaurants. This is like a typical residential place for a cheaper neighborhood with lower property prices, with lower rent, quite old buildings that are still standing here. A typical place that exists in many, many cities, towns, and villages here in Spain and all over the place. Nothing fancy that you will be able to see here. And it's curious because we're located meters away from the Poniente side. We're located very close to the city center. This is not supposed to be looking like this. Don't get me wrong, the streets are paved. It's pedestrian priority here. There's a lot of nice changes that have been done here. As you can see, all of this is pedestrian priority. Just look at that, which is great. But then other things that still have to change. Whenever people see that you're not from this neighborhood, it's like, what in the world is he doing with that poor animal? Like when people see that you're not from here or you're like a tourist, well, they might get a little bit suspicious or might say, what are you doing here? You're not from here. Go away, etc. Or they'll just keep looking at you so that you would feel uncomfortable and leave from the neighborhood. That might also happen. But at least with our videos, you're able to see what the neighborhood actually looks like. It's not a typical place, fancy place. It's not a typical like great touristic neighborhood that you might see. But it has some nice businesses nearby. It has some restaurants, cafes with chocolate and churros. There are supermarkets. There is very nice barber shops, hairdressers, etc. And look at that. This is the main avenue already that goes directly to the Poniente beach. It's literally right there, not too far away from here. It is absolutely incredible. A lot of clothes tended on the right over the window. This is also a typical Spanish thing. People that are from US probably would be horrified with it. that's probably the case, because we know people in US usually tends to have dryers, and it's not a common thing just to like put the things out of the window for it to dry. But here in Spain, it is very common. We have a very good climate, and usually people don't have dryers in their homes. But we have this. People just put all the things out there for everyone to see. And it's everywhere. Look at that. It's absolutely everywhere in this neighborhood. And this is something very, very curious, that people just find it curious when they travel to Spain in general, not only to Benidorm, when they see so many things out there just hanging around. Some of the probably businesses that are closed down, this is to avoid squatters. Usually if there is a free spot that no one has, that no one uses, they close it down with bricks, with cement, with something, so that people would not be able to go inside. And this is exactly for the reason why, to avoid squatters going in and staying in that particular place. Not a lot of green, if at all. No green trees out here. You won't see nice places to sit down. This is one of those neighborhoods that, are not in the best condition, or just, are slightly less maintained as other places of this city. Why? Because there's no tourism here usually. There is not a lot of money being put in all these places. It's just not, I wouldn't say it's a poor neighborhood, but it's one of the neighborhoods with lower income a little bit, which is curious once again, because we are meters away from the Poniente beach. But this is how this neighborhood was for all this time. There's a little bit of lack of maintenance. It's not like dirty. No, there is some litter, some garbage every now and then, but it's not that. It's just the lack of maintenance is very strong in this specific area of the city. And a lot of steps, which is why there's even an elevator right here on the right side. There's even an elevator for the older generations to be able to get from this part of the avenue high up to where their houses are actually located. Apart from that, obviously, this right here is already the Poniente beach. As you can see, it is very, very close to everything. It is located, this is the avenue, and the Poniente beach is right there. But as you can see, it's right here. It's literally just a few hundreds of meters away. And all the main businesses are also located here. Numerous bars, restaurants, and cafeterias. And at this specific spot already, you can see that there is a lot of changes being done. This area is being taken care of because this is already more touristic. That's where all the shops are located, of course. And this is just the place that so many people see. There's agencies that have some properties for sale. Others are for rentals, like touristic rentals, etc. So definitely, here you can see the prices nowadays in Benidorm town for purchase. These are the prices. Nowadays, sadly, an apartment of 250,000 euros, 300,000 euros seems like way more normal thing to see than previously, which is a shame because prices have risen so high up. Some nice shoe shops already nearby. Great brands, by the way. There's fruit and veggie shops here where you're able to get some nice seasonal fruit and vegetables. These are the prices, by the way. Peppers, different types of tomatoes, mandarins, kiwis, oranges, potatoes, apples, melons. There's bananas, plátanos or bananas. There's a little bit of everything. There's outlet for shoes, which is way cheaper. It's like from fabrics, from factory pricing. There are souvenir places. There's buses. Bus number 2, by the way, goes towards the shopping mall in case you're interested. It passes through all the Poniente beach from the old town, and that's where you can get the bus. And it will bring you towards the shopping mall, which is great. There's an outlet there. There's a lot of shops, so it's actually quite convenient. A lot of road works and changes are being done here. There's slightly more of palm trees and plants and everything that we start to see too, which shows a huge difference with the area where we've just started today's video. A new hotel, Golden Hotel. That's a new one. Hey, 4 stars. Ooh, that's nice. 4-star hotel, Golden. The Fox Bar in Benidorm. Look at that. Slightly more international already. We start seeing tourism. We start seeing like more movement. Mojitos, pina colada. There's a lot of different types of options out here. And we start to see way nicer streets, wider streets, supermarkets, touristic supermarkets, by the way, with souvenirs, things for the beach, ice creams, etc., etc. Way more places to sit down, grab a meal, or grab some drinks. Menu of the day, $14.95. That's not a big choice. Only 2 plates to choose from on a menu. That's not a lot, honestly. Anyway, we are already almost right here by the beach, and RH Corona del Mar is right in front of us. The Poniente residential area on the left side with skyscrapers worth of 1 million euros an apartment, 2 million euros and more. A lot of hotels are on the left side of this avenue, but on the right side, there are the buildings that do need some care and love. And the typical, very traditional neighborhood of Benidorm, but not as safe for tourists to go.